Oh, do you guys see the squirrel? What's the squirrel doing? Is the squirrel eating a nut? Emily, is he eating a nut? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, Indiana, you see that squirrely? I know. He's sitting on the railing. Is he eating a little treat? Is he eating a treat? Emily, see the fuzzy tail? Doesn't he have a fuzzy tail? Yeah. The squirrel eating a treat? Hi, Indiana. This is so cool to have a balcony. See birdies and squirrels? Yeah. I know. It's like having a little balcony monkey cat. Yeah. I just made that up. Wow, look at that, Amelie. Will you look at that? You got another treat, didn't you, Indiana? Yeah. Fun.